Hi, today I have two Diecast from Jhonny Lightning. The first one is Honda Civic 1998 and the second is Nissan Skyline GTR. Okay, let's see the Civics first. It has black and yellow color. The detail is good. The packaging of this diecast is good and strong. How to open this? I think I cannot open this with my hand. I need scissors or cutter. Okay, let's find the scissors. Okay, I found cutter, but I cannot. I don't know how to open this. It's really hard. Okay, let's cut anywhere. It's really hard, guys. I hope I'm not cut the car. I must be very carefully. Okay, I hope it can open the car. Okay, almost. Okay, guys, finally we open it. The Honda 1998 Civic. Very nice. The color is black and yellow. It's really detailed. The wheel, it can it can move, but I don't think it can move. Yeah, it cannot move smoothly, but it's really nice. It's really detailed. The body made from metal and the wheel or the tires made from rubber, and the bottom also made from metal. It's nice. It's really nice. Okay, let's unboxing the other one, the Nissan GTR 1999. Okay, just cut it. You don't need scissors. Okay, guys. Ah, the color is red and white. Same like the Civic. The body made from metal and the bottom also from metal and the wheel is from rubber. It's heavier than Hot Wheel. It's really heavy and the detail is very good. This one is move better than the Civic. Okay, the Civic uh, okay, this is better move than the Civic. Nice, I like both of them. Really nice. From Jhonny Lightning. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Don't forget to comment.